Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the field one of your favorite PE teachers, the one, the only, Mr. King.
Hello students of AGPS. Mr. King here, ready to play some coin toss. Now who's excited about that? Excellent. Well, before we do play, I do have a question for everyone at home. And that question is, do you at home have what it takes to beat me, Mr. King, in coin toss? Interesting. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out, and that is to play coin toss. So everyone at home, let's get into it.
Round 1.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 2.
3, 2, 1, go!
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are green. You're the magician's assistant.
Round 3.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 4.
3, 2, 1, go!
Round 5.
3, 2, 1, go!
This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy is running from himself. She's been living on the high shelf.
So there you have it, everyone. There is my 5 rounds of coin toss done and dusted. Did I do a good job? Excellent. So, if you can beat me in at least 3 of those rounds, then I guess you will have what it takes to beat me in coin toss. So everyone, good luck and have fun.